mouldy, mouldy. The cheese became moldy after many days. Mouldy. Stale, stale. The bread is stale, so it is hard to eat. Stale. Decayed, decayed. The banana is decayed and turning brown. Decayed. Putrid, putrid. The meat is putrid and has a very bad smell. Putrid. Rancid, rancid. The butter is rancid, so we must throw it away. Rancid. Contaminated, contaminated. The rice is contaminated and not safe to eat. Contaminated. Maggot infested, maggot infested. The apple is maggot infested, so no one can eat it. Maggot infested. Stinky, stinky. This fish is stinky and not fresh. Stinky. Fermented, fermented. The juice fermented and now tastes bad. Fermented. Soggy, soggy. The cereal is soggy and not tasty. Soggy. Slimy, slimy. The spinach feels slimy and old. Slimy. Rotten, rotten. The orange is rotten and smells bad. Rotten. Sour, sour. The milk tastes sour because it is old. Sour. Spoiled, spoiled. The food is spoiled because it was left outside. Spoiled. Expired, expired. This milk is expired, so don't drink it. Expired.